So sir, I call you to tell you say you look my woman and you ask me how my woman look.
Because I don't know what you're talking about. So you may ask you some question, you should know that that's a storybook you read.
Storybook.
Me don't know you, man, you know. Me don't look woman not juggling because woman not juggling and walk with somebody them. Them not no improvement in their life. So me don't look juggling, woman. So you have the wrong person a question. You hear? But with me, because me don't look juggling, woman. Juggling, woman, a street woman. You're not sitting in the yard and do it for you.
I told me no.
Because people yard and chat business. Me don't look juggling, woman. So you take back the argument and kick the hand of your foot bottom.
I told me no, so she sexy, you know. Me know she look good and me I hear your name around the place, you know.
Round which place you hear me name?
Bad girls step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some prank calls on my family. If you're new, thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell. And also share. This is my sister Mary. She's been spending some time with me for over a couple weeks now. Near to a month. And I'm gonna call my family. You know what? Prank them. I've been doing this a long time now. The thing is, I have never got it on a video for you guys to see, so today is definitely the day and this is definitely the place to get it done. So hopefully I'm gonna give myself, cause you know it's like I make me look nervous, you know. I will be playing different characters, acting like different people. So when I call my mom, my dad, my bro, my sister-in-law, my sister-in-law, my sister, my brother-in-law, my niece, we can call everybody what I can think of. So anyways, let's get into the video, shall I say? Who's going to be the first one? Ooh, my heart. Don't laugh, you know.
I'm gonna laugh. What will be the first one?
Yeah, try Dylan.
Alright, then.
Yo, dog. Hello? Hello? We can talk to Dylan. Alright, tell him to link me up here. Later. So guys, he wasn't there. But really him want to, not Kayla. Hopefully, what I want to happen is, hopefully, when I call again, you know, the phone will be on speaker, that they will both hear what I'm saying. So, that's fine. I'll call later. Who am I gonna call him?
Mom.
Yes, Mom. Study. Alright, may I try to call her one more time, guys? I'm trying to call her another time. If I don't get her, I'll be switching to someone else.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah. May I admire right now? I've been admiring you from out Big Tree way.
You did what?
I've been admiring you from out Big Tree way, where you work.
Me? For what? What am I for what?
I really do like you. You're sexy and you're well shaped.
Uh-huh.
So
Who is this person? Who is this admirer?
my name is John.
Your name is John? Okay, John, thank you very much.
Yeah, man. I wanted to tell you this for a while because I've liked you for so long.
Then I'll do just get my number.
You know, I have links.
Your link? That's close then if you have it to know to get my number.
Yeah, man. I just want to tell you say God bless you and I love you off.
God bless you too and love you too, although I don't know who I'm talking to. But the best of God be with you always. Okay?
Okay. Later.
Yes, and have a wonderful day, John. This guy sounds like a woman voice still.
Same to you, darling.
Alright. Bye.
Who say it sound like a woman voice?
That is so weird.
Guys, trust me, if I could have got deeper, if I didn't have the guts to go down deeper, I would have. But I can't go no deeper than that, and it's bothering me because I'm afraid it's gonna give me away. Hopefully it doesn't.
That was like hard.
Wow, John.
That was a fake name. That name really sound real.
But hear me out. Hi. I can't gonna load.
Yo, dog. Yo.
Alright guys, if Kayla is still alone and Dylan is not back, I'll just switch the story, telling her about the person Dylan sent me to meet, which I'm gonna call her the Catty. Yeah, the Catty. Yeah, I use the same name, Sharon, or I might find her next name. Calling back Kayla.
Hello?
Yo, Dylan. Yo, Dylan.
Hello?
Hello.
Oh, yeah?
You remember the cat here did tell me some must call him?
Eh?
You remember the cat here did tell me some must call him?
The what?
The catty.
Nah, yeah.
The catty.
Yeah.
You know that she not give me thing.
Everything?
She never give me a thing, you know, she use me.
You use it?
She use me.
What is it?
You know remember John where you met on the road, man?
What?
John.
Nah, that's
Me I tell it youth.
John. How old that?
Me not hear you, what you say?
You know that. What would you?
I tell you, say, Catty use me, youth.
Yes,
Catty use me.
use ya.
Yeah, she take me things.
Tell me that.
You know, remember Sherika?
Well, who you want that? I mean, I don't know about it.
No, you name the land.
Yeah.
You know, remember I do with you make man not Spanish town.
Nah. There's no not where I can go.
Yo, I them thing I can't take, you know. Alright. Guys, that wasn't as funny, but boy, when the land say, sorry, sorry. When the land say, when you say, I don't know where you talk about. The land say, I don't know where you talk about. Guys, as I've said before, my voice can't go down no lower. Like, I'm trying and it just not reach that depth there. I call the person now that is so hard to get, and that's my father. Yes. Okay, you had 4 6 1 to put it 7 Steady. So this sounds like a woman.
Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Morning, good.
Yes. You know, this is John. Me here say I look my woman, you know.
Just again.
This is John. Me here say I look my woman. No Bali your name.
Yeah, look, my woman.
You are look my woman, Bali.
Yeah, look, your woman.
Yeah.
Look, your woman.
Yeah.
What your woman name?
She named Sharon.
Sharon.
Yes. From Joblin side.
From Joblin side.
Yeah.
Eh? How your woman stay?
No, you know it come like a joke with me now.
Oh, what color your woman have?
She light brown.
Light brown.
Yes.
So which part of Joblin she live?
So sir, I call if you tell us say you look my woman and you ask me how my woman look.
Because I don't know where you're talking about. So you may ask you some question, you should know that a storybook you read.
Storybook.
I don't know you, man, you know. I look at Joblin because woman at Joblin I walk with somebody them. Them now no improvement in their life. So I look Joblin, man. So you have the wrong person a question. You hear? Follow with me. Because I look Joblin, man. Joblin, man, a street man. And I was in the yard and the way for you.
I told me no.
People yard and chat business. I look Joblin, man. So you take back the argument and kick the hand of your foot bottom.
I told me know so she sexy, you know. I know she look good and me I hear your name around the place, you know.
Round which place you hear my name? If me an important band, you must hear my name.
But me can't hear fear name in the same sentence.
So if you hear me have fear name in the same sentence, that's why me not bring me no quads. Not give me a yard quads. You see me a bigger man, powerful man,
Daddy.
I will just call you.
Say daughter. No, so daddy a bad.
Me couldn't breathe, Daddy, no. Me couldn't want to laugh no more. Alright, let me tell you what me I do. I'm filming a video on my YouTube channel. I get a new number and me I call everybody. But me
What you didn't do that?
Daddy cuss, no sir.
You understand me?
I don't want you to laugh no more.
I love you, Daddy. Goodbye.
I love you too, Daddy.
You say I drove in my walk. I you yes enough.
guys, I water come out of my eye, guys. Me can't breathe. Ooh.
Could have all my eyes. No?
Let me say I be a fly body girl. Guys, I could not breathe, literally.
Don't do it, but not on the line.
Not telling you.